think battery is the problem. Because it's lighting up, I guess. See? Hi! Happy Monday, you guys. I wasn't gonna do any vlogs today, but today is a very annoying day because I had plans, but I won't be able to do them. Sorry about flashing you guys. But anyways, it's Monday and I think it's almost noon. It's almost lunchtime. It's 11:30 actually. I was gonna go, number one, get my daughter's kindergarten registration packets from school. Number two, get my kids' daycare registration packet. Number three, get something for dinner. But I got all, dressed and everything. So with my son, and when we got to the car, my car would not start. Ow! So yeah, my car wouldn't start, and it's annoying because... Why did you follow me? Huh? He just smacked my arm with his little weapon right there. But anyways, yeah, it's a very frustrating day because we're gonna end up spending money again on like things that we don't want to spend on, but we have to. And that is why we have emergency funds, but still I want to use emergency funds for fun stuff and not annoying stuff, if that makes sense. So yeah, I guess what we're gonna do is, as usual, clean up, do the laundry, because I have a new batch of dirty clothes to load. Ow! No. So, where am I at? What was I saying? Laundry. New batch of laundry. And then take a nap because I am going to work tonight. All right, you guys. Ciao, ciao. I say no. Say yeah. And we'll go. Are you ready? Say no. Come on. You say no. Say yeah. We'll go. Are you ready? I don't really want to fight anymore. Dance, Rizzo. Yeah. Sige. Asi. Sige, Rise, you're gonna fall. Oh. What are you doing? He says nothing. It's 12:30, you guys. It's basically should be nap time, but I'm stalling because I'm not sleepy. But I have to sleep because I work tonight. First, basically, my Mondays are so hard because I work nights and my body is so hard Dude, ow! My body is so hard to transition from like regular sleep schedule and then switching back to like, oh, Rizzo. Oh, you're having fun, huh? Are you having fun? Yeah, you're having fun. Yeah, well, basically, I'm having a hard time transitioning from regular sleep cycle to like, night shift sleeping. But yeah. All right. I want to talk to you guys when we're napping or before we nap, when we go upstairs. Probably in about 5 minutes. All right, bye. You guys, I thought he was just chilling on my foot there. He's actually knocked out. No, poor baby. Okay. Well, I guess it's time for me to go take a nap as well. I will talk to you guys later. Hopefully, I get to nap for about 2-3 hours. All right, see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys. We just officially woke up from our long nap. That was about 3.5 hours. Awesome. He wants to go outside. Yeah, I thought I was gonna have a hard time falling asleep, but I didn't, and I actually had a good nap. Anyways, Rex should be home. Rex and Clarlin should be home in about 10 minutes or 20 minutes, and then we're gonna have to deal with this car situation. We're gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna get another car so I can drive it to work tonight. Alright, I'll keep you guys posted later. Bye. Alright, you guys, it is officially almost 5 o'clock. Well, 5 minutes till 5. Don't open that. No. So, like I said, I was going to go out and get some dinner earlier, but then my car was having issues. So, I had to go through the freezer and see what we have. We're going to have fish sticks tonight. Some Costco frozen tacos. Some salmon burger and chicken nuggets. And then I cooked rice over there. So yeah, that's what we're having for dinner. And hopefully my car, well, it doesn't matter anyways, because they think that what's wrong with my car is the alternator or the starter, or like a starter or something. Jeez, Rizzo. So they're gonna need to like get the part first and then fix my car. Hopefully it's easier than that, and hopefully it's just an overnight thing, but it's not. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. Bye. Alright you guys, so Rex just jumped my car and it did start, it worked, so we're gonna drive it over to our mechanic and then go over to my in-laws and get another car. one of their cars. Good thing their cars are there for us. But yeah, it's about 5:30 now, and hopefully I get to rest for about an hour before I go to work tonight. Just giving you guys an update about what's going on. Alright, see you guys later. So here's a guy, a little boy, throwing a fit because he can't get what he wants. Where are you going? And he's gonna go to the snack drawer, but mommy's gonna say no because everything that's in there are sweets. So yeah, Rex is driving my car around now, making sure that it's just the battery and not the alternator or the starter. But we're still gonna go get the other car from my in-laws because he doesn't want me to drive that to work. Because if if it dies, then I'm screwed. So yeah, fun times. All right, see you later. Bye. I'm gonna test drive my car to see if it's safe for me to drive to work. Hello guys, so I'm at work now. It is 10:30 and my car is okay. My husband jumped it. Oops, let me close this elevator. So my car is okay, my husband jumped it. We think that it was just a battery issue, but hopefully it is just a battery issue, because if it's not, then it's gonna be an additional expense again. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that that's it. Okay, and I'm at work now actually, so I'm gonna be busy, and I will talk to you guys later. And thank you again for watching my random vlog. Bye.